Hey guys, today we're gonna tie this pike fly. I often use it when I'm gonna fish a little bit deeper. This one is weighted and I've tied the fly with the hook upside down so I can fish it close to the bottom without hanging and snagging and so on. So really nice fly that I often use. I call this the raw attitude pike fly. I tie it with those really cool eyes from a Pro Sportfisher attitude eyes. I tied on a TP hook from Ahrex, TP 650 size 4.0. It's with a little bit bent on here, and then I add on my raw weight from Pro Sportfisher. This one I'm gonna tie in down here just below the bend. And I'm just gonna secure it with some UV glue. Easy way to add on some weight. Just like this, and then I'm gonna start with some black bucktail. And then I'm gonna use some long black feathers. This is just bugger packs from Whiting. One on each side, and then I'm gonna have a couple more in a different length, a little bit shorter, and those are put up on the top of the fly. I like to secure my feathers with some glue, so I'm sure they will be where I want them to be. Then I could put in a little bit of Flashabou. This one is Holo Black. I just take some of the fibers a little bit longer than the other ones. Tie them in and put the other one back. Then I'm gonna add some Polarfibre brass. It's from efficient, easy to use. You could make a brass by yourself and use that, but this one is really nice. Small trick is to put some foam or something so you don't cut yourself on the hook. Then I'm gonna take a couple of feathers more, tie in on the top of the fly. I like them long and slim. And then we're gonna use some purple. Also Polarfibre brass. And then we're just gonna add some eyes. I use this one as the extra small. Gonna add a little bit of glue. And then I'm gonna build up my head with some flexible UV glue. Just a little bit, just to get the right profile. And to help it turn the right way in the water, I'll put it a little bit more flat here on the side of the fly. Yeah, like this. This is my pike fly. So I think you should try it too. It's nice and easy to fish. Don't take too much water in, so it's easy to cast, even if you fish with a 7 weight, 6 weight. So I think you should give it a try.